Every step moves me farther away from my gray, monotonous life. Every deep breath helps to calm the raging chaos that has been building deep within me. I feel tired, but at the same time, I am refreshed. Someone asked me, "Why do you climb?" I answered, "Because it's fun." But now I understand. Climbing mountains is not all about fun. It's about being closer to nature. To appreciate the outdoors in the best way possible. It allows me to be at the top while my feet stay firmly on the ground. It reminds me of how small I am and how vast the world is. The great outdoors taught me to appreciate all the little things that I always took for granted. It taught me to communicate well with fewer words, to listen more closely, and laugh even with the silliest jokes. In the mountains, I feel vulnerable, more human. It makes me feel alive. It helps me to discover my strengths and at the same time, acknowledge my weaknesses. Nature taught me to keep moving forward as the only logical choice. Even moving slowly, I know I am getting closer to my destination. Now, if someone asks me, "Why do you climb?" I will answer, "Because I still can."